This is where we stayed last night. That's our cabin right over there. Cabin number 1. It's kind of it's called Nature's Inn. It's at Sam's Gap in North Carolina. They got quite a few cabins. They got the community room up there, some other cabins in the hostel. And this is the bathhouse. And they got laundry around back. This is the bathrooms in here. They got a couple showers. Set up pretty nice. Then you got your bathrooms. Got a door you can slide. Another shower over here. Put your laundry, towels in there. Pretty nice setup over here. They got shaving cream, a blow dryer. Got your sinks.